You've probably come across the suspense account when compiling a trial balance. If the trial balance doesn't balance, then a suspense account is included to make the trial balance work. But what actually causes a suspense account? Surely we don't just conjure it up out of thin air to make our figures work. Well, no. The suspense account is created and then added to each time an error is made in the accounts. We just don't see it because we're not aware of the errors being made. When we actually include the account in the trial balance, we're simply formally acknowledging something that has already happened. So let's go back a step and see what's happened. We've purchased some goods for £1,000, so the bookkeeping entry should have been to debit purchases and credit the bank. But we simply wrote the entry into the bank and made no other entry, so the suspense account was created by default. We then made another error, debiting a sale of £60 to the bank as £80. The difference of £20 was automatically posted to the suspense account. Finally, we credited a sale of £450 to both the bank and the sales account, so the suspense account was automatically debited with £900 to match the credit entries that were made. If we now balance off the suspense account created by these errors, we find that we have a suspense account balance that matches the one that was included in our trial balance. Now all we must do is correct our errors. To find out how, watch the Correcting Single Entry and Differing Amount Transactions video.